And today I got a little special DIY do-it-yourself video, and today I'm going to be bleaching a t-shirt that I got recently. If you watched my last vlog, you would have seen it. We're going to bleach a t-shirt. Basically, like, have you guys seen those Metallica tees or those Yeezys? Not Yeezys, those Yeezus tour shirts that are bleach and stuff. So we're going to do that shit. We're going to try to do that like homemade type shit because I don't feel like spending money. I got a nice dope t-shirt. It's kind of plain though, that's the only thing. It's a dope t-shirt, but at the same time it's kind of plain. It's not like I need it to pop. I want to stand out from other people, you know what I mean? Because more than one person has this shirt, obviously. So yeah, we're gonna just do that for this video. And yeah, if you guys are new, subscribe, like, and let's get into it. So as you guys can see, this is the t-shirt I was talking about. This is a plain Medici shirt with a line on it. It's pretty dope to me, but at the same time, more than one person has it at my school. It's a party group or whatever. I don't party anymore, but it's a party group, and you know, I promote them sometimes. But you know, they decided to hook me up with a shirt, so I got a shirt, but it's kind of plain, like I said. And you know, I want to do that bleaching style. So the style I'm looking for is like the bottom half is gonna be bleached, and then like just spots, like I don't even know. I'll put a picture of an example, but yeah, this is the shirt I'm talking about. But before I get into doing this shirt, so toss that out, we're gonna do a practice shirt. I got a weak ass like basketball gym tee of American Eagle. Like, this shit's faded to the max, so we're gonna do this shirt first before we get into that one. Don't roast me on the bed sheets, please. They're just bed sheets. But yeah, we're gonna do this shit first, and then yeah. Boy transition to the bathroom, so we got the practice shirt right here. We got us some bleach, this little Walmart brand head ass bleach. So yeah, we're gonna be using this. So clearly, to bleach shirts, you need some bleach, but you also need I don't know. We're just gonna go through this adventure together. You know, I bleached stuff before, but it wasn't like a shirt. I never done a shirt. I was too like pussy to do it, but I done hats and shit. But yeah, we're gonna just do this and yeah, get into it. So we got this bucket here, and we're gonna fill it up with this bad boy, some bleach right now, and then we're just gonna dip the bottom half of this shirt, the practice shirt, into the cup and see how that shit turns out. And then yeah, hopefully it comes out great, and we're just gonna watch the process. So yeah, let's do this shit. Take this shirt right here. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand. Oh, make sure you have gloves. You know, I don't have gloves. I'm poor, so we're gonna just do this to get away, or whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna dip it like so. If I can get it in there, yeah. Just dip all that shit in there and let that whole sit. Bruh, y'all look at this shit. That shit is dumb brown, bro. Oh shit, I gotta do this part right here in the back. This shit needs more bleach. Yo, I want this shit to be white. How the fuck I turn this shit white? Hopefully, like, after I wash out after I rinse out the bleach and wash it, it turns white or some shit, cause I'm not liking this brown fucking color. I mean, it's dope, but at the same time, I want that shit white. That shit look hard white, bro. So the timer's up, so we're just gonna start washing this shit out over here in the bathtub instead of the sink, cause yeah, I know my mom will kill me. So yeah, let's take this bitch out. Ew, wipe the water. Oh my god. Alright, how am I gonna do this? Put that shit right here. Should I rinse out? Nah, let's just leave that out here for now, and then let's just start rinsing this shit. I don't know, guys. This project seems to be a bust, cause look at this shit. Shit is in there white. This shit is clearly red. I kind of fucked up, but yeah. So your boy got a spray bottle. right here. So we're just gonna start spraying shit down, to be honest. Like add more design on it, just gonna start spraying shit down. Yeah, this looks like a bust, to be honest, so I don't know if I should continue doing it with the other shirt. But we're just gonna keep doing this on a practice shirt, see how it comes out after I wash it, and yeah, hopefully it comes out the color I want. If not, it's a bust. I ain't finna lie to y'all, but this shit came out trash as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it came out to the color I want. Like, it's still like kind of red, but it's lighter than before. But the whole design was a bust on this shirt. So I still want to do it to my other shirts. So I don't know what to do, guys. Like, should I just do another practice shirt and do it a different way, or I don't know. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just grab another practice shirt and we're gonna do it a different way. We're gonna try a new design. We're not gonna do this half bleach shit, cause so here's the game plan. So since this shirt kind of came out to the color I wanted, but the design is a bust, like I fucked up right there clearly, we're gonna try it on a different shirt, another shirt I don't wear. This is like a fucking extra large, bro. I don't even know, but it's a shirt I'm not gonna wear at all, so why not fuck around with it and try again. I'll probably try a different design this time. I don't know if I want to keep going for this look right here. I feel like I did it kind of rusty. I should have put a rubber band around it. I don't know, we're just gonna see. Let's see how this shit goes, because I still want to do that to my shirt, because I'm not a basic ass nigga. I am Snap God. You feel me? So let's get it, boys. We already poured the bleach in there. So this is my end mark right here. So we're not gonna go past this rubber band. Shit. Alright, right there. That's perfect. I should have make sure you wear gloves, because you don't want to like touch some shit. So like, it's been a couple minutes and this shit ain't changing colors, bro. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand what's going on. Like, there's discoloration obviously right there, like in the water, but the shirt is still black. So I think this is a bust, to be honest. Oh man, what a fail. Fuck, I fucked up. Oh, I think I'm not gonna do the other shirt then, because I don't want to fuck up. You know what? Fuck it. We're gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. Fuck it. Let me just. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Fuck it. Just fuck it. Empty this over there. And we are gonna get the other shirt and we're just gonna do it. Good. Fuck it. Why not? So I have the shirt right here. So we're. Ah, shit, bro. I'm kind of scared. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because if I fuck up the shirt, it's a fuck up. I feel like we're gonna do the same method with the rubber band and put it down here, but in just the lower corner. Like, I'm not gonna have it like, I'm not gonna put it all the way up to here anymore. Like, I'm just gonna have it to like right here probably, and then just do some design. We're just gonna fuck it. We're just gonna play around with it, cause you feel me? Why the fuck not? We are Snap God. We don't need instructions. We don't need YouTube. We just do it. You feel me? This is the moment of truth right here. We're just gonna just fuck it. Oh, fuck it. Oh my god, no. Oh, I'm gonna regret it. If this shit comes out of bust, I'm gonna regret this shit so much, because this shirt is low-key hard. Oh shit, this shit changing colors fast, I think. Oh, please work. Because I don't know what type of material that shit was in the other t-shirt, the practice shirt, but oh yeah, it's changing colors. We lit, bro. Oh yeah, we lit. Fuck it, I'm put my hand in it. Alright, stopped right there. And just let that bitch soak. So yeah. Oh, might as well rinse this bullshit out. Yeah, I don't know what material this shit is, because this shit's a bust. Like, I don't understand how I dip you in bleach and the shit still stays black. Like, that shit crazy. So basically, I decided to do the rubber band method. I did the bottom part, as you guys can see. My bad, I'm sitting on my toilet. But I did the bottom part, as you guys can see, and I wrapped it around some rubber bands and took a spray bottle full of bleach and just sprayed away. So far this is what it came out to looking so far. You guys can see that. It's pretty alright, it's not a bust yet. Liking how it's coming out to look. I wanted like more like bleach up here, you know what I mean? Like sloppy bleach, so I might just freestyle on that shit with the spray bottle. But it's coming out pretty alright, to be honest. Thank God I practiced on this shit, cause I would have fucked up this. But it's pretty solid, if you guys can tell right there. So yeah, let me know if you guys think it's solid. I'm gonna do some more freestyle and show you guys the final product when I'm done. So here's the final product right here. Well, as you guys can see, the shirt was not a bust. It actually came out pretty dope, I believe. Here's the front, you guys can see the whole thing. Pretty sure I put V-roll for this part. But yeah, it came out pretty dope. I'm happy how it came out. I mean, I wish it turned a little bit more white, but it is what it is. We bought cheap bleach. But